It's been a difficult time for professional audio over recent years, particularly when we look at the live sound applications for the industry. These have witnessed significant decline. However, we have begun to see these recover, especially kind of during 2021 and moving into 2022, things are looking a lot better. When we look at the touring and rental market, this was one of the worst impacted areas of the industry. Yet we have begun to see improving revenues, both from a manufacturer level, a channel level, and actually even from kind of a concert promoter level, and really kind of share prices moving up to follow that. Interestingly, when we look at the installed side of things though, particularly installed live sound, this has shown significantly more resilience throughout the pandemic, and has been a focus area for many brands and will continue to be moving forwards. Some key venues that have other revenue streams have built that stability and will continue to see good financial health moving forwards. These include applications such as houses of worship, stadia, corporate auditoria, which rely less on pure ticket sales and events and have other income streams as well. So moving forwards, these will be areas to watch, but we'll also see recovery in some of those more performing arts, music type venues, as performances have continued to come back, cultural recovery funds have kicked in, and really venue owners are keen to invest and draw audience back to their venues with new innovative installations. Digital signal processing, or DSP, is a vital component in the pro audio ecosystem across a range of applications and different product categories. DSP is integrated into amplifiers, for example. It's present in mixers, microphones, loudspeakers, but it can also be a standalone product. And DSP has been a significant growth area for the industry over recent years, allowing manufacturers to offer added control and management to their audio devices, allow them to be set up easily, connected with audio over IP standards and control signals. Really, it's been driving that user experience forward in the market over recent years. And it's also been driven itself by a range of applications which require those connectivity standards, but also those mass deployments and high levels of connectivity and control within the ecosystem. Areas we've really seen drive that market over recent years have been conferencing, which has of course been a really positive area of the industry. But other areas include governments, stadiums, even venues as well, investing more in that kind of connected ecosystem, audio ecosystem, providing more control and flexibility for their audio systems. Moving forward, it's expected to become an even more important part of both manufacturer and channel strategy and end user deployments, as we see connectivity becomes king, and ultimately those investing in the space will take share across a range of audio products. Over recent years and throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, professional audio has been driven forward significantly by the virtual or hybrid world. In reality, what this means, first we can kind of recognize video conferencing in that, which has been significant to growth in really across the corporate world, but also across professional audio. If we look elsewhere though, governments, higher education have also been areas where remote communication and collaboration have become significantly more important, offering opportunity for professional audio, microphones, loudspeakers for lecture capture, for example. And what that's done is really driven a whole host of upgrades and reinvestments in audio equipment for both lecture capture or conferencing, but also making purchasers kind of review the other technology that they have installed and look to upgrade that as well. So offering significant opportunity for audio. Broader, when we look at content creation, the classic example is kind of a home musician or a game streamer at home, areas which Futuresource research a lot. But if we take that to other areas of the industry, content creation can span far wider in terms of whether that's remote worship, for example, or recorded tutorials within the workplace, internal corporate communications, government media and marketing. There's a whole host of applications, and throughout the pandemic we've seen a real drive towards that virtual world. And ultimately, this has meant more investment in audio equipment to capture high quality audio and ultimately provide high quality video communications that can improve brand awareness or push out a certain message in a quality and professional manner.